Right, just sitting down at the bench today, next day, and yesterday I was really tired when I started this, and it's really apparent to me today, like something I mentioned in my Good Craftsman Never Blames His Tools video that I did recently. I mentioned in that about making excuses on why you're not doing a good job at the bench, or why you did something wrong or badly or whatever. Yeah, one of the reasons I said was tiredness. Like, if you're tired, this job can be really difficult, and that's really apparent to me today. Yesterday I was tired, and I started this, and I was talking about making it 14mm diameter and the thicknesses and stuff, but I wasn't thinking the job through. Like, I wasn't considering all the extra things I have to do to it to get it complete. Today it's like I've got all the knowledge, just instant access to it. So I'm thinking about, I was talking about getting it round and stuff. I wasn't considering cutting through and creating the hinge, which might reduce it a little bit, and like chopping out a section, putting the post on, the sort of length of that post. Like, I've got all that knowledge today, so it's like, I think I did say, like, I don't think I made one before, but I can sort of remember doing it, but today I just know how to do it. Like, it doesn't even matter if I've made one before, because I slept well. I went to bed at like 9:30 and got up at 6:30. I've had a really long rest. So yeah, tiredness, like sleep. People, I think busy people think of sleep as something that just sort of gets in the way and stops them getting as much done in a day. But if there's one thing you've got to do in a 24-hour period, it's sleep. It's really important. Sleep more, you'll ironically get more done the more rest you've had.